Somebody on the internet said you're not the right girl for me. Babes! Babes! We already had our first incident. Wanted to start it this morning. Dead. I had to run to the shop, buy a new battery, put it in, and then everything worked again. But I think it was still the first battery. It said Suzuki on it, so it was time. So far we did 200 kilometers, driving towards Czech Republic. We found a cool campsite 60 kilometers over the border. Just thought about this new camera mount.
Sorry, hang on.
Do I look weird with that? I think it's pretty cool.
Oh my god, no way. You're not walking around like that.
I think I will.
You look utterly ridiculous. You can walk around by yourself.
Broke my glasses. You're doing a great job.
Border?
I think so.
Did I just pass the border?
I think so.
I officially drove to Prague. No, Czech Republic. Not Prague.
Absolutely love them. There's the campsite.
What, in here?
No, there.
That's the cutest. Look around. Take a look. Doesn't fit. Babes. Are you supposed to jam it though? Like, is that normal to jam stuff so hard? Yeah? Apparently it's normal. It's bug spray, not deodorant.
This is the toilets.
Oh, there are no showers.
No showers?
No.
We can jump in the lake.
Alright, let's go cook some food. I'm making all cozy wozy.
Very good.
Cheers.
Asparagus with salmon. We live like kings tonight.
We deserve it. We drove the whole day.
You drove
The whole day.
300 kilometers.
I mean, it
Wow.
felt like 1,000 kilometers, to be honest.
You did it.
Yeah, I stayed on this side of the road.
And you don't have to get up. So tonight we slept much better already because we did some improvements to the bed. Maree, do you want to show them?
Well, I'm not ready yet.
You're not ready yet?
I need to come in.
She's not ready yet. 1 second. Are you ready now?
No.
Are you ready now?
Babes.
Are you ready now?
Hey, stop being a creeper.
I just realized why Maree is so grumpy in the morning. This says "entcaffeiniert," which means no caffeine. She didn't realize.
It looks pretty, so I bought it. So, last time we went camping, I didn't like the mattress that came with the tent. It was hard, I didn't get a good night's sleep. I ordered one. We actually had to get it next day delivery because we thought we'll leave it the next day, but ended up Marc's bike wasn't fixed, so in the end we didn't need next day delivery. But anyway, I'm really happy with this one. It's just a little blow up bed, and it goes on top of the other mattress, and it makes it all soft and fluffy, and it just pumps up in like a second with a little pump that it came with. So yes, I slept much better last night. Got all the eggs in there, they're all stay warm. The other ones on top. They keep each other warm, yeah?
They keep each other warm.
Yeah.
Because they keep each other company.
Keep each other warm.
You're so smart.
It's pretty fast.
Bon appetit. Breakfast burger. Waffle?
No. No. No, I don't want it.
Right, friends, as you can see, we packed up everything. I saw on the way here that there's a castle, and I convinced Maree to go and check it out. Let's do it. What's wrong with the trees?
I think it's wrong. It's cold. It's wearing socks. It's very cute.
How's it going?
Good.
Do you love it? You loving it?
Wasn't my idea.
No? You work up a sweat.
Leave me alone.
I don't feel anything. Look at that, there it is. So this time we both forgot our wallets and they don't take cards, so we cannot go up there. We have to go back now to the Jimmy. See you there. So this camping ground hasn't got a shower, so we decided to stay the next night in another campground. Let's do it.
On life, babe. I'm missing out.
Alright, we need food again for tonight.
More.
No.
Put it in the fridge.
So in case you're wondering why I'm driving,
Is that a campsite now?
they're closed.
Yeah, why?
Don't know. Found a new camping site. 10 minutes from here. And they're open. Look at Maree. Isn't she cute?
Is it mini gold? Look, it's broken down. Let's go in the woods!
Yeah.
Like, willy-nilly.
Yeah, we can.
I love it!
It's all everywhere.
It's not so planned.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not so like, you must be here, like in Germany.
You like it here? She wouldn't shut up the whole time, but the moment the camera is on, nothing. Why are you touching it over there? Why are you being so weird? Why are you being so weird about it? Just pull it now. It's literally the most easiest thing in the world.
It's probably heavy.
Pull now. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So getting to the dead point is very hard for a short person, by the way. Oh! Lucky I'm a fitness trainer.
Yeah, well done. Good.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, it's right. It's right now, yeah? Got it. Woo! That's fast. And babes?
We already have some kindling.
Start it, I'll go find bigger wood, yeah?
Yeah.
The bear that goes into the park and like steals everyone, snatches their picnic baskets. That guy?
The fastest way I know to get a picnic basket.
Cheers.
Huh?
Cheers.
It
Because
feels-
this is all not dry. This is
Okay, we'll
not
take it
dry.
away. But the rest,
Stuff
is
that
green.
bends is not dry.
okay, we'll take it away. The rest is good.
Yeah, okay. We use this. This
yeah,
is
it's
good.
Yeah, let's go. Veggie.
Yeah.
Because we have veggies. It's got a little stick here.
Bold.
Naughty!
That was awesome. And I know you would have rather seen Maree in the shower. I know you guys. Alright guys, this concludes our little camping adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun. Now we're just waiting for the Honda to get back and then we can finally start on our adventure to Norway. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and thank you for subscribing. You want to say goodbye to the internet?
Good night. Thanks for watching.